Hi folks, once again it's a beautiful sunny day and taking advantage of the weather. Today we are cleaning some leather in this 5 Series BMW. It's not a new car, and as you can see from the condition of the seats, it's been well used. So I'm just going to do a quick look through. And as you can see, the leather is very soiled. It's very heavily soiled, so we're going to need to perform a deep clean on this leather to get it back to some half decent standard. It's going to take a while to do, but one thing I will say is once this leather has been cleaned, we're going to apply a protector to it, which will help to stop it getting into this kind of condition again. So we'll come back to this in a little bit. We'll see how it's looking then. Right, we come to the end of this job. Don't adjust your screens, this is actually real. Underneath all that dirt and grime, there was a lovely looking light beige leather in this 5 Series BMW, and we've cleaned, as you can see, all the rear seating and the backs of the front seats. Okay, so they say you can't make a silk purse out of a sow's ear, but at the end of the day, all this needed was a little bit of TLC. The seats are damaged, and the pigment is wearing in these places here, but you know, for an old car it's probably not worth the expense of having that repaired. It's just nice to be able to sit on clean seats. So there you go. Call us today or visit carcleansuk.com for more information on our leather cleaning service.